Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to make Telegram group admin. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then right here go into chats and then just enter a group where you are an admin. That is my test group with some random content. And now let me show you how to add new admin to that group. All you have to do is just right here tap add group name to move to the group settings. Then you can hit right here at edit. And right there you can easily find administrators. Just get into it. Now, as you can see, the group has just one administrator, that's actually me. It says owner under my name, and now I can easily add new admins here by tapping right there at add admin. It shows members list, and from here I can make any member of the group admin in that group. If there are a lot of members and this list is quite big, you can use search to find some specific user. In that way. And now you can tap on that user's name, and now you have to set up permissions or what can this admin do for that specific user. You can set up change group info, delete messages, ban users, invite users via link, pin messages, manage video chats, remain anonymous, and add new admins. To last feature by default toggled off, but you can in any time toggle it on if you want, and also you can toggle off any of that features. After that you can scroll down and set custom title for that admin. I'll just put in test admin, and once you finished with that, all you have to do is right here hit on done. And now that user displayed here in the list of administrators. I can in any time go back to that list and add or remove administrators. In that simple way I can just swipe to the left to bring up delete option, and right here I can tap on delete to remove that admin from my group. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.